Hello everyone, thank you for being here. My name is Maritza Rabinowitz, and today I'm going to give you guys a presentation on honeybees. By the end of this presentation, I hope you guys will understand the importance honeybees have to our society. Now, throughout history, we as living organisms have had one common goal, and that is to survive. The tools and strategies we use to do this differ amongst different species. Raise your hands if you've ever used GPS in order to find the shortest route to a destination. Good. Now raise your hands if you've ever performed a task and wasted more energy or resources than was needed, such as using too much gas to go to a destination. Thank you. Now raise your hands if you've ever performed a task and have thought, I'm getting too old for this job. Thank you. The cool thing about bees is they found a way to overcome these obstacles. For example, when it comes to navigating, bees have an instinct that tells them what the shortest route between flowers is, so that when they pollinate, they can maximize the number of flowers they pollinate while using a minimum amount of time. This makes bees excellent at traveling. We can use this observation in order to better understand transportation so that we can commute to work in different ways. Now that you know the bees' exceptional navigating skills, I'd like to talk to you about their structural abilities. When bees build beehives, they use hexagons as the main structure shape. This is because hexagons use the least amount of materials in order to form a structure. What this means is bees can use the minimum amount of wax in order to build beehives so that they don't waste any energy or wax, which is very vital to them. This makes bees exceptional architects. Now that you know about their structural abilities and their navigational abilities, I'd like to talk to you guys about their brain function. Now, typically, as organisms develop, they tend to deteriorate and lose brain function. The same happens to bees. Once they leave the beehive, they immediately begin a rapid age process, which results in deterioration of their physical features. The thing about bees, though, is when they return back to the hive, they begin a reverse age process, because the duties that bees perform in the hive require much more energy, which is usually found in younger bees. So once a bee who has spent time outside pollinating returns back to the hive and performs other duties, such as taking care of the larva, they literally start to turn younger again. Now, this is interesting because scientists can use this in order to research cures for memory loss diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia, diseases typically associated with aging. As you can see, there are many benefits to having bees around, and it is important that we understand the significance that bees have to our society. I hope that after listening to my presentation, you guys can understand just how valuable bees are to us as human beings and can respect them in day-to-day life. So next time that you see a bee, don't be afraid because they're here to help. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.